Hi there, guys. I'm coming back at you with another video. And this time I am doing another ring review. And it's from this company and it's called Lajerrio. And they sent me this ring to review for them. And I have already taken a sneak peek, but this is the box that it comes in. And then has two drawers, as you can see right here. And the top drawer is where the ring is. But I want to go into the bottom drawer first. And this comes, if you want to give it as a gift to someone, it has a little gift bag if you want to gift it to someone. And inside, it has your little cleaning cloth. And it has the name. And it has a little how to take care of it. A little booklet on how to take care of it. And I think that's really nice. And that's what comes in the little gift bag, which is so cute. And it has their name on it embossed on there also, which is nice. I think this is so cute. But now let's get into the meat of this video. Now, I have peeped at this already to see exactly what they look like. And they are gorgeous, guys. Let me put this away over here. And let's look at here. Now, you guys know that I'm all about the bling when it comes to my rings. I'm all about it. And this ring was no different. These are absolutely beautiful. Look at there. How exquisite is that? And I don't want to hear anyone make any comments about my nails. Haha, look at there. That is gorgeous, guys. Absolutely beautiful. And I did want to take this off on video because I did try it on to make sure that it did fit. And so I'm going to go ahead and clip this off because I already know that it fits. And this, I want to give you up close before I put it on. Now you tell me. Awesome. And I know someone is saying, well, we can't hardly see the ring because of all them nails. But look at there. Oh, it is so beautiful. And I'm going to put it on. And it is absolutely gorgeous, guys. And yes, it does come in this little velvet. And it has the name on the inside of it. I am just having so many rings. But this is absolutely stunning. And also, I want you to know that they did give me a coupon code that will be linked in the description box below. And I'll also leave the link to these rings and the link to their entire website. Now, I know that I like really blingy rings, but if this is too big for you, it's not your taste, they have a lot, I mean a lot of other rings to choose from. They have necklaces, bracelets, earrings, charms, and they also do engraving. You can get your jewelry engraved. And according to how much you spend on their website, you can get even bigger discount. They have 30% off, 40% off, and up to 50% off on this website. Guys, you must go and check this company out, because I mean, they have absolute beautiful, beautiful jewelry, and their prices are very, very reasonable. You have to see it for yourself. I can't do them justice, but you'll have to go over there, check their website out, and I'm sure there's something. If you're a jewelry wearer, you will find something that you like. And yes, these are $9.25 sterling silver. And no, you know this is not a real diamond, but you will see me wearing this ring in all of my videos pretty much from now on. When I do my nail videos, you'll see this ring in my videos. This is absolutely stunning and amazing. Everywhere you turn it, it's beautiful. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. They contacted me and they let me choose whatever I wanted to review. And so this is the ring set that I chose. I'm gonna love this. This ring is called the Oval Cut White Sapphire 925 Sterling Silver Bridal Set. And also, they have a YouTube channel. I will leave the link for their YouTube channel in the description box below also. But go over there, and I'm sure that you'll find that they are very reasonable in their prices. You're going to love them, guys. You really are, because I do. And as I said, if this is too big for your liking, they have all different types, and I mean, they have a lot of different types. Rings, I always choose a wedding set. And I mean, this one is absolutely stunning, guys. So, everything will be down in the description box below, and I go over there and check them out, and I'm sure you're going to find something that you like. If rings are not your thing, like I said, they have necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and charms, and you can get them personalized and engraved. All right, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye-bye.